In this video, we will show you 6 methods to transfer photos from your HTC phone to your PC in detail. Part 1. How to transfer photos from HTC to PC with Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant allows you to preview and selectively transfer photos from Android to PC. Besides, it has a built-in backup and restore feature that enables you to back up all the photos from HTC to PC with one click. 1.1. How to transfer photos from HTC to PC selectively. Step 1. Download and launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your PC. Then connect your HTC to PC with a USB cable. Follow the on-screen steps to get your HTC detected by the program. Once your HTC is detected by the program, you will see the interface like below. Step 2. Go to the Photos tab on the left sidebar. You will see the photos on your HTC are displayed in the right side window. Step 3. Select the photos you wish to transfer and click the Export button to transfer photos from HTC to PC. 1.2. How to transfer all photos from HTC to PC with one click. Step 1. Launch Coolmuster Android Assistant on your PC and then connect your HTC to PC with a USB cable. After your HTC is detected by the program, go to the Super Toolkit section. Step 2. Click Backup and select Photos. Then click Browse to choose the location to store your photos. After the selection, click Backup to start to transfer all photos from HTC to PC. Part 2. How to transfer pictures from HTC One to computer using Windows Explorer. Step 1. Connect your HTC to your computer with a USB cable. Enable the USB debugging mode on HTC. Step 2. On your HTC, tap the status bar and drag to the bottom. Select the connection type as disk drive. Step 3. Open the Windows Explorer on your compute. Click the name of your HTC phone and open the internal storage. Step 4. Open the DSIM folders that store the photos taken by your HTC One. Then select the desired photos and copy them to your computer. Part 3. How to transfer photos from HTC phone to laptop via Send Anywhere. Step 1. Download and install the Send Anywhere app from the Google Play Store on your HTC phone. Then open your web browser and go to send-anywhere.com. Step 2. Open the app and select the Photos tab from the HTC phone. Then choose your desired photos and click Send at the bottom. Step 3. The app will now display a 6-digit security key and a QR code on your phone screen, which is only valid for 10 minutes. Step 4. On your laptop browser, look for the box that says Receive. Type the 6-digit key shown on your phone into the input field and click Enter. The transfer will begin immediately. Once finished, the photos will be in your laptop's Downloads folder. Part 4. How to transfer pictures from HTC to computer using Bluetooth. Step 1. Open Bluetooth on both of your HTC and laptop. On your HTC, go to Settings app, turn on Bluetooth. On your PC, go to Start menu, Settings, Devices, enable Bluetooth. Step 2. On your laptop, go to Add Bluetooth or other device and select your HTC phone after scanning. Pair your HTC and laptop by confirming the same code. Step 3. On your HTC phone, select the photos you want to transfer and share them via Bluetooth. Step 4. On your laptop, click Receive a file to save the photos from HTC phone. Part 5. How to conduct HTC file transfer to PC with Google Drive. Step 1. Download Google Drive on your HTC phone and open it. Step 2. Click the plus icon, upload gallery or images, select the photos on your HTC to sync. Step 3. After uploading the photos to Google Drive, visit the Google Drive website on your PC, then select the photos that synced from HTC and download them to your PC. Part 6. How to transfer photos from HTC Desire to PC via email. Step 1. On your HTC, open Gallery and select the photos you wish to transfer. Step 2. Tap the share icon and select the email or Gmail option. Step 3. Enter your own email address in the recipient and send the email. Step 4. On your computer, log into the same email account and download the photos from HTC to your PC.